Good morning, student. I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to take your science. Now let's start with chapter 1. That is living and non-living things. When you see around you, you see many things. Some are living things and some are non-living things. Now start it in your morning. When you wake up in the morning, what do you see in your room? You see many things. First of all, you see your bed. You see fans, lights, chair, table in your room. Your mother, father, your brother, sister. These all are maybe living things or non-living things. All living things are natural. But non-living things are also natural. Means living things and non-living things may be natural. But living things are natural. Non-living things may be man-made or natural. So now let's find what is natural living things and what is non-living things. How do you differentiate between living things and non-living things? First of all, what is natural things? The things which are made by nature are called natural things, like sun, moon, soil, water, air. These all are natural things because they are made by nature. They are created by nature. Living things. The things which have life are called living things, and non-living things, the things which do not have life, they are called non-living things. There are some special features of living things. How can you recognize that this thing is living things or this thing is non-living things? So let us start with the sub features. How do you differentiate between living things and non-living things? Living things. Living things can move. They can move from one place to another. They can move one place to another in search of food, water. They can go here and there. But non-living things can't. So what are the features of living things? Let us find. Number 1 is living things move. Living things move. Like us, we also go here and there. All animals move from here and there. So these are the first characteristics is living things can move. Second one is living things grow. You see this, that when you sow a seed in the soil, it became a seedling, then a small plant, and then became a very big tree. You also, or you see your brother, younger brother or sister, when he or she born, he will, a small baby, now day by day he grow up and became a child, then an adult. So second characteristics is living things can grow. Living things grow. Next one is living things breathe. All living things breathe oxygen. They can breathe without air, they can't survive. So living things, next one characteristics or features of living things is living things breathe. Living things breathe. Next is living things feel. Like when you beat someone or a dog in your street, it barks. That means it feel pain. You also, when you touch the hot or cold, you remove your hand from there. That means you feel. So next one characteristics is living things feel. Living things feel. Cold, hot, so living things move, living things grow, living things breathe, living things feel, living things reproduce. It can reproduce like their own. Living things give birth to young one or their same kind. Like when you see dog, it can give birth to a puppy or same time. So next one is living things reproduce. Reproduce means giving birth to a same kind. And next one important feature is living things eat and drink. All living things need food to eat and water to drink. Without food and water, they can't survive. They get energy from food and water. So, they need food and water. So, what are the characteristics of living things? How can you know that these things are living things? Living things move, living things grow, living things breathe, living things feel cold, hot, living things reproduce, living things eat and drink. So these are the characteristics of living things. And how do you know that these things are, some things are non-living things? Non-living things can't move. It can't move by their own from one place to another. Like if you put the pencil box in your table, it can't go one place to another. If you can't take it and put it another place, it can't go by their own. So living things can't move. Living things can't grow. If you keep them for 1 hour, 1 year or 2 years, it can't grow. But living things can grow. Non-living things can't breathe. They can't need air to breathe. Living things can't feel. If you beat non-living things can't feel anything. So next one is living things can feel, but non-living things cannot feel. Living things reproduce, but non-living things can't. And last one is living things eat and drink. Non-living things do not need any food or water to survive, but living things need food and water to survive. So these are the characteristics of living things and non-living things. So now I give you some assignment